Meaning of Holy Grail.
Holy Grail.
Holy Grail.
Holy Grail.
Holy Grail. The Holy Grail is a legendary object that has been the subject of many stories and myths throughout history. In Christian tradition, it is said to be the cup used by Jesus at the Last Supper, and later used to collect his blood during the crucifixion. It is often associated with miraculous powers including healing, eternal youth, and immortality. The search for the Holy Grail has become a metaphor for the ultimate achievement or goal. The phrase Holy Grail is commonly used to describe something highly sought after or elusive, particularly in the business or technology world.